Okay, this is Decent We the People News. Okay, I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving legal advice. Okay, so anything I say on this video is just my opinion. Okay, but we've been doing a couple of videos of oath of office. Okay, but I want to kind of clarify something that I watched this video a couple more times or read over the oath of office and all that kind of stuff, right? And right here it says Constitution and laws of the United States. Okay, now laws and the Constitution contradict one another. Okay, so everything is going by what I call the codes and statutes and all that bypass laws. All right, because everything is constitutional for we the people, right? And it's got to stay within the guidelines of the Constitution right here. That's the reason why they're supposed to sign an oath to the Constitution of the United States. Okay? We're not supposed to have law. Now, when did that happen, y'all? Okay? And definitely it's not supposed to have so help me God. There's a reason why there's a period. Because judges can say it or don't have to say it, right? But according to the first article, 1 stat 1, no religious text shall be taken. Okay, now this is the issue we have. Since this is in conflict with this, and this is in conflict with this, we are serving two masters. Okay, or they are serving two masters, right? However, there is more of this than there is this. So they're always going by this. Guess what? Bypassing the Constitution. Bypass. Alright? Now, when did it happen, y'all? It was either 1996 or 1997. It was during Clinton. Okay? And this did not happen overnight. Alright? So the younger judges that was in that particular time frame started signing these new oaths of office that had the law in it. Okay? And it started passing down to states and all that kind of stuff. Now you see these states that has law in there. And what that did was gave way for the judges to have more discretionary to go ahead and always follow this more than this. That's the reason why our constitutions are disappearing, because they're going by the bylaws of the Constitution. Okay? Or bypass laws of the Constitution. Alright? Over a period of time, when judges started actually retiring, the new judges came in and they signed this new oath. Okay? Which has this right here. Alright? Now, since them two back here, like I said before, right? The Constitution and law is in conflict with one another. You can say all the Constitution you want. However, they're only going to go by the law itself. Even in your juries, right? They'll tell you on Friday in the state of Texas, or especially Exeter County, on Friday they'll tell you that Constitution by the United States and the state of Texas. Alright? And they'll leave it hanging there. But when you come in Monday, they tell the juries to follow the law. The law of Texas, the bypass law. Alright? They don't bring up the Constitution on Monday. Or they haven't done it with me, and I've been in there twice. Okay? But in twice, that's exactly what they did. Okay? Once I was a jury, and the other one, because I asked questions, because I knew the section in the state of Texas, 28 U.S. 28.02, a woman got ahead and plead guilty to not to identify herself as to be a witness. Well, in that you don't have to. Okay, you just can't lie about it. But she did not have to identify herself. Okay, but she got ahead and plead guilty, and the sentencing was to find out, well, that's what the jury's was, to find out what her punishment was going to be. So I stood up and I said, was there any correlations due to this violations, this 28 or 32, 38.02? And they obviously got pissed off about that, and I didn't get picked. I should have kept my mouth shut and told all the juries in there, no, I understand 3802 very well, and she actually did nothing wrong. So 0 sentencing. So got off on a different subject. Apologies, okay? But that's because they was trying to follow a law, but it was a bypass law instead of the Constitution. That's what they do to our juries now. All right, they're bypassing the Constitution on Fridays on Texas, Ector County especially. They talk about the Constitution and constitutional rights. They don't explain it, they just talk about it. Then on Monday, when you go through the weekend, most people don't remember they brought up the Constitution, and now they don't bring it up on Monday, and they say, you must convict them by the law of Texas, not by the Constitution. It does not exist on Monday. So there lies the problem. Right there. The oath of office is null and void just because these two words right here is in conflict with one another. Remember? It says and, okay? You got the constitutional law, okay? But it's not constitutional law. It says Constitution and laws of the United States. So whatever laws they bring up, even though it's unconstitutional, they can go by the law and just ignore the Constitution altogether. Now people can stand up and say, well, the number one issue is Constitution. Judges don't listen to you. Alright? They already got the bypass deal there. They don't have to listen to you. Look at the Bundys. They didn't look at the Bundys. And even on public TV, the judge, the federal judge, says the Constitution does not apply in my court on public TV, y'all. If you can find it on YouTube or anything like that, look it up. I haven't looked it up in a long time. But that's exactly what the federal judge told the Bundys on that ranch problem they had, that the Constitution does not exist in her courtroom because she went by this, the bypass Constitution. Okay? And that was during Clinton, 1996, 1997. There was a lot of crap in 1996 and 1997. You also had up in the East Coast, and I can't remember which one it is, that gun rights people said they're not dropping arms, and they were serious about it. And 240 people got shot between FBI agencies and we the people. And guess what? The FBI agencies walked away. Just saying. Because they met force with force at the time. They didn't overwhelm. I believe within that time frame, Waco happened. Alright? In the state of Texas. Check that one out, y'all. That was a crime shame. Alrighty. This is Diesel We the People News. I just want to bring that up to you, that the oath of office was not always said that way. That was back in Clinton's day when the oath of office was changed from federal all the way down to states, and that's what states are using today to bypass our constitutional rights and go by the codes and statutes of, bypass laws. Just saying. The corporation laws, not the Republic Constitution. You're different. Alright, this will be the people know. Bye.